Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to create an account on tofro.com. For that you can just click on the link that is given in the description and you will be landed on tofro.com. Now you must be wondering why you are going to click on that link. It is because without that link you won't be able to create your account over here. So once you are here on this page, simply tap on the register now option. Provide your email address which you want to use to create your account. Then a verification code will be sent on your registered email address. So you can simply provide that here. Afterwards, create a strong password for your account and confirm it. Here you will see the invitation code option. So you can just use the invitation code that will be mentioning here on the home screen. So you can simply use it and paste it over here. This is required because without it you won't be able to create your account here. Now agree to the terms and conditions and click on the register option. Now once you have successfully registered, simply click on the login option here in the top right hand corner of the screen. Then provide your email address and your password. Tap on the login option and there you go, you have successfully created your account on tofro.com. If you are facing any kind of problems, you can just let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye.